Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making Grinch wedding cookies. Alright, now coming down here to our bowl, I have here 2 cups of cold unsalted butter. Start creaming this together with a half a cup of powdered sugar. Now look at this powdered sugar, you guys. This is colored powdered sugar. Could you believe it? I saw it while I was at Michael's the other day. They had pink and blue and I was just like, oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like it. This is a half a cup of green powdered sugar. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to pick this up. Now if this doesn't look like Grinch green, I don't know what other color would. Okay, so next, some vanilla. So now we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour is going in. And here I have some chopped nuts. These are pecans, but as you guys may already know, you can use any other nuts like peanuts or walnuts. So who out there is excited for Christmas? I thought that it would be too early to do Christmas cookies, but I thought, you know what? This week is Thanksgiving, so I might as well just go at it and start my first Christmas cookie of the season. You know what? I'm gonna be real with you guys. This is gonna be easier if you use your hands. Oh yeah, that is a lot easier. See how the dough is really coming together nicely? It may seem a little bit dry at first, but once you get in there with your hands, all your worries go away and it comes together. Mr. Grinch. This is so fun. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, you could take little chunks of this and roll them out like that, but I have here a little scooper. You know me, I'm always looking for shortcuts because I don't have any patience. Okay, here's our baking sheet. I have some parchment paper down. You could also use a silicone baking sheet if you like, but for this size pan, I just can't seem to find a silicone baking sheet. Mr. Grinch. When you're making these cookies, the song, you know, you're a mean one, Mr. Grinch, it's gonna be in your head all day, I guarantee it. Okay, we are finished. Look at all these cookies. I should probably lay them out like separated. Make sure they're about 2 inches apart. I'm just gonna roll them because as you can see, the bottom is flat and we just want them to be completely round. The good part about using this small ice cream scoop is that they're all the exact same size. All right, guys, we're gonna put them into the oven now. Yes, okay, so the secret to these is we're gonna bake them for 12 to 14 minutes at 350. Who's excited this year for Christmas cookies? If it's your first time here on my channel, be sure to click that notifications bell down below and subscribe to my channel because the whole month of December, I'm gonna be having really unique Christmas cookie recipes like this one today. It's just incredible how these cookies, they don't spread. They just stay their shape and that's it. The house smells so incredible. Isn't it just so wonderful how butter and sugar will just bring so much joy? They're ready. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. Wow. Look at these. Are these not the most beautiful green cookies you have ever seen in your life? Let's see the bottom. Oh, the bottom is like perfectly golden brown. Can you see that? Yowza, this is hot. Okay, so we're gonna let them cool just so we can touch them. And then we're gonna roll them in the powdered sugar. These, in my opinion, are just the most fun cookies to make because it's like you cannot mess these up. They're so foolproof. You can over mix the dough. You can even under mix it and they'll still be super crispy and flaky and delicious. These made 26 cookies. For the holidays, like for Christmas, I might triple or quadruple this recipe because these are always everybody's favorite. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some more of this powdered sugar into a bowl. We're gonna roll these twice in the powdered sugar because the first time the sugar is melting on the hot cookie. So the second time is gonna keep that nice powdered sugar look. These are a little bit easier to do with your hands. Okay guys, now once we did the first coat, as you can see, the sugar just completely melted on. So we're gonna just go for a second coat and that way it'll really stick on. There we go. See how it looks way more snowball-y once you get that second coat on. And that's it, your cookies are ready. These were by far the quickest cookies I have ever made. You can store the dough in the freezer, or you can even, once they're ready, you know, store them in the freezer until you're ready to give them out. And they'll defrost like maybe a few hours before serving them. And I'm probably gonna do that with these because it's a little bit too early to pass these out for Christmas. But if I don't freeze them, I'll probably eat all 26 cookies. Did we say these were 26 or 36? These are so addicting with coffee. It's the texture. They have a nice crispy texture with a really basic vanilla taste. So if you're having like some plain black coffee, these are just out of this world to accompany it. All right guys, now to finish this up, we're gonna add some little candy hearts to the top. I don't know if you could tell, these are extremely light. They're called edible confetti by Sweet Tooth Fairy. I found these at Michael's as well. I'll leave the link to them down below. And if you could see, they're so adorable. Can you see this? They're extremely light. They're little heart wafers. So we're gonna put them on top. These are pretty messy, but that's all right. It's part of the fun of making these. They wouldn't be Grinch cookies without the little heart on top. Oh my gosh, how cute. And there we go guys. Were these not the most easiest cookies to make ever? Aren't you just so impressed with how they came out? They're gonna be the cutest cookie inside your cookie arrangement this year. Our first Christmas cookies for the season are ready to enjoy. Of course we have to try one. This is gonna be a little messy. Should I get a napkin or a plate? Or I'll use my hand. Whoa. The texture of these are so weird. You don't even have to chew them because they like melt in your mouth. Look at the inside of those. They're super green. I cannot believe how crispy and light they are. And the pecans add a really nice crunch. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post unique recipes like this one today weekly, all of them always with a unique twist.